Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Tea Tree Facial Scrub by Xpel Beauty Care to gently exfoliate for visibly brighter skin, cleansing pores and reducing blackheads. So I'm starting by using vitamin C facial wipes by cleaning up my makeup. Make sure I clean everything thoroughly, clean up every makeup on my face, clean up my lipstick, my foundation and every other makeup. Make sure my face is thoroughly clean before washing my face. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. I'm Anita Akoja, a mommy YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. So kindly like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Please guys, make sure you share this video, share to all the skincare lovers, those friends, those family members that you know that love skincare and can't do without it. Please share this video to them. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoy watching this video. I'm done cleaning my makeup. Next is to wash my face thoroughly for complete cleansing. So I'm using my bar soap. You can use any bar soap of your choice, or if you have facial cleanser or face wash, you can also use your face wash. You can use your liquid soap, anyone you're using, any bath wash or facial wash, anyone you have, just use it. Make sure you wash your face after cleaning with your wipes, just to get that complete cleansing. That's why I'm doing this. I want my face, my skin to be completely clean before applying the scrub so that it penetrates my skin. I want it to really go deeply into my skin to penetrate and clean every blackhead. So that's why I'm doing this. And don't forget to wash your ear and also your neck. Don't forget to wash back of your ear as well, and also washing your neck to make sure everywhere is clean, because you're not just scrubbing your face, you're also scrubbing your ear and your neck area. So now that I'm sure that my face is totally clean, it's now time for me to apply my tea tree facial scrub. Unscrew cap and remove security seal before use. Squeeze into hands. Apply to face, neck and ear. Then massage gently and rinse thoroughly once you're done. but you have to wait before you rinse it. You have to wait for like 15 to 30 minutes before rinsing it. Caution: avoid contact with eyes. If contact does occur, rinse well with clean water. If irritation occurs, discontinue use and keep out of reach of children, alright? After applying on your face, also remember to apply on your neck and also behind your ear. Apply on your ear and under your neck area as well. Make sure everywhere has the facial scrub. It's now time to scrub gently in circular motion so that it penetrates deeply into your skin. So I'm scrubbing my face gently and I'm doing it in circular motion so that it penetrates, gets into my skin. I really want to clear off those blackheads and I want to clean off my pores. So I make sure exfoliate deeply and let it cleanse my skin thoroughly. Tea tree facial scrub has been specially formulated to gently cleanse and stimulate your skin by helping to remove excess oil and dead skin cells to reveal a healthier, fresher looking complexion and is suitable for all skin types. If you're still watching this video, please kindly like this video. Drop your comments for me. You have questions on skincare, kindly drop in the comment section and also share this video to all skincare lovers around the world. Please kindly share my video for more engagement and for more videos like this. And also, if you're a new subscriber here, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe for more videos like this. Subscribe and join the family. I can't wait to see you in the comment section. Kindly drop your comments for me and I'm here to answer all your questions. Thank you all for watching. Please continue watching and make sure you watch till the end. So I make sure I do this twice a week, every Wednesdays and Sundays for best results. I love to do this so that I get a clean and fresher look that I'm looking for. It gives me that glass skin. So I'm done and this is how my face looks. Remember to wait for like 15 to 30 minutes before you rinse. So I got this tea tree facial scrub for 5k, 5,000 naira at H Medics at Sokoro, Abuja. So if you're in Abuja, that's where you can get like the original one because there are lots of fake in the market. So be careful where you're buying your skincare products. So I always go to H Medics. If you know me on this channel, you know that's where I get my products from. H Medics, especially the one in Asukuro, Abuja by AYE. It's not far from AYE bus stop. Have you used tea tree facial scrub before? If you have, please share your experience with us in the comment section below. And if you've not used this product before, please let me know if you'll be trying these products. Let us know, share it in the comment section below. I feel fresh and my skin looks healthy. One thing I also like about this product is that it smells so good. So it's now time for me to dap my face. Make sure you dap, don't wipe. Dap with your face towel. So I have two separate towels, one for my body and one for my face. So make sure you don't use your body towel on your face so it doesn't give you rashes. So use a separate towel. Always have like two towels. Have one for your body and one for your face. Make sure you use your face towel for just your face alone. It's very important. Hope you like what you see. For me, I absolutely love it. My skin feels so fresh, clean, smooth, healthy, radiant, and glowy. This is how I love my skin to be. So smooth. It feels so healthy. Like, seriously, I love it. I love tea tree facial scrub. I love the fact that it's light, it's bright, it takes off all those white and black heads and it gives me absolutely a very clean and neat and smooth skin, just the way I love it. See me rocking my new face now. My skin is fresh skin. You won't try me. Like, I love it and I feel so good. Thank you all for watching. Hope you find this video helpful. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. See you all on the next one.